So in this video, we will be learning about the formulas that are included in the shares and dividends chapter. What is the first formula that we will be learning? First one is the number of shares. So how can we find the number of shares? To find the number of shares, we must know these two things. The first one is the total nominal value or the nominal value per share. Then comes the investment and the market value of each share. So if we know these two things, so we will be able to find out the number of shares. Okay. Now, if it is given in the question that investment is this and the market value of each share is this, so find out the number of shares. So in that case, we will be dividing the investment by the market value of each share. Okay, so if it is given in the question that nominal value and the total nominal value and the nominal value of each share, so in that case what we will do is we will divide the total nominal value by the nominal value per share, so we will get the number of shares. Now we come to the second one. What is it? It is the dividend and the income that we are getting from the shares. And how can we calculate it? Remember one thing, dividend is always calculated on the nominal value. It is always calculated on the NV or the nominal value. What is NV? NV stands for nominal. It is nominal value or the face value of the shares. Now, how to find out the income? It is first we need to multiply the number of shares with the nominal value, and again we need to multiply with the dividend percent that will be given in the question itself. So what is the formula? Number of shares into nominal value into dividend percent. Okay, now we come to the third part, which is called the sale process. Now what does the sale process means? The sale process means that you have bought some shares, and now after you have bought the shares, you want to sell the shares and invest the sale proceeds in the next shares. Okay, so how can we find the sale proceeds then? It is the number of shares that we have bought or we want to sell. Fine. Then the number of shares that we want to sell into the market value of each share or the selling price of each share. That is same thing. The market value of each share into the number of shares, we will get the sale proceeds. Suppose I have bought 60 shares. Now I just want to sell 30 shares out of it. Fine. So in that case, the number of shares that I want to sell will be 30 into the market value of each share that is at that moment. So in that case, I will have the sale process. If it is asked in the question that you want that you have to find the sale process, in that case we need to apply this formula. Now comes like the number 4. It is profit percent or the return percent. How much return we are getting from the shares that we have bought in terms of percentage. So what is the formula? It is dividend by investment into 100. Since it is percentage, so I will be multiplying it with the term 100. So it is dividend by investment into 100, and always know this thing that the dividend will always be less than the investment. The dividend cannot be more than the investment. Fine. So dividend will always be less than the investment into 100%. So this is what the entire formula chart for the shares and dividends looks like. Okay, so these are the formulas that you will be requiring to solve the problems. So I would ask the students to note it down, and if you need any other formula, please comment below, and feel free to subscribe to the channel to know more.